Hello, it is Max from Konto. The Sydney Trains network is currently in ruins, so I am at Central Station after just finishing a live stream.
If you are unaware, on the 6th of April, the Sydney Trains and Trams network were at a complete standstill due to flooding caused by major rain on the 5th of April. On the 5th of April, Sydney saw up to 200 millilitres of rain. L1 services were suspended, then for a brief time came back to life, and then were suspended immediately after again. All Sydney Trains lines had significant delays and cancellations. The Sydney Ferry's network was even partially impacted. So, originally I was going to go on the Manly Ferry with some friends, but then this all happened. So I was told to refrain from doing so and to meet my friends later. So, I went and did a live stream going around the Sydney Trains network and train spotting a bit. I will show some clips from the live stream soon. But this incident was major. The Sydney Trains network did recover the next day, but it was still a lot to recover from, as I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it was a weekend, so not many people were delayed, but still, it's not good that all of this happened due to flooding. I will now go on to some clips from the live stream to just show you how desolate the Sydney Trains network was. You can see that everything was moving slow, but these clips don't show how desolate it was. I apologize for the footage being in portrait mode, but it's a live stream. So this is 5 minutes straight of me being at Petersham. I was in the Lewisham-Petersham area for around 45 minutes and only saw 3 to 5 trains in my whole time there. That will show you how little trains there were on that day. I'm going to let this footage play in the background, so if you wish to skip to the only train I saw in this 5-minute time frame, skip to time slot 5:07. I will now let this video play in the background with some music. As you can probably see from the rapid movements of my camera, I was celebrating the fact that I got a Waratah horn. I don't know why, but I guess I was just celebrating. Well, I think at that time I never got a horn from a Waratah before, so fair enough. But yeah, the delays were major, and as you can see, only seeing one train in 5 minutes on this line is kinda weird, especially when usually you'll see at least one train in 5 minutes, not at most one train in 5 minutes, which is a bit unusual. It was unusual witnessing this, and I'm surprised I was actually there to film this chaos. So I'm sorry that this video is releasing April, May, June, July, August, 4 months later than it was filmed, but this is just when I had time to publish it, I guess. So, yeah. Flooding can affect any railway. It's just Sydney felt it all on this date. Events like these where trains are delayed this much are rare, but unfortunately they do happen on the Sydney Trains network occasionally.
Everything is chaos. The board's dead. I'm going to the trams. Will I get an XO5? An Airbus 3? Oh, 100! I will get an Airbus 100.
Tram services on the L1 had just continued when I boarded this tram. Shortly after I left, the L1 services were discontinued, which was painful as it made getting the Circular Quay for me and my friends a bit harder, but we did get there in the end.
We were about to catch the L1, but problem due to an incident, infrastructure outage, L1 services. Now it just says the time. Oliver, would you like to appear?
Metro stop. Yes, please.
Hello.
This is Max from Max Konto.
That is Oliver from Oliver.
And
Enjoy these clips from when I eventually got on the ferries on that day.
Welcome aboard an iconic Sydney ferry. Your safety is very important to us.
Oh no.
No.
Oh my god.
Watch your step, especially on the deck, to avoid slips and falls. Ensure personal items are stowed correctly and are not blocking the aisle. Be sure to supervise your children at all times. When waiting to alight, keep clear of the yellow marked boarding area, stand clear of the ferry crew, and follow their instructions. Thank you for your attention.
Here are a few clips of destos being blank and PIDs freaking out because of the delays. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of it and what you think about the hybrid half talking in real life and half voiceover style videos. Bye!